Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today the verse that I want to share with you is in the book of Joshua, chapter 1, verse 9. Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid, do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. Embracing God's promises. I will give you three practical points to remember. Number one, I will trust God daily, knowing that His presence is a constant source of strength and guidance in my life. Consider a lighthouse guiding ships safely to shore amidst a storm. Even when the storm is fierce and visibility is low, sailors trust the lighthouse's steady beam. Similarly, God's presence is our guiding light in life's uncertainties. Remember, no matter what you face, you are never alone. God walks with you, lighting your path and supporting you through every challenge. Trust in His plan and find joy in the journey, knowing that His promises never fail. Number two, practical points to remember. I will be courageous, choosing to face my fears with confidence and relying on God's strength to carry me through. Think of a child learning to ride a bicycle. The first few attempts are often filled with falls and hesitations. However, with encouragement and persistence, the child learns to ride fearlessly. In the same way, God calls us to choose courage over fear, knowing He is our support. Let your faith be bigger than your fears. Step boldly into the future, knowing that with God you have the courage to overcome any obstacle. So number three, practical points to remember. I will trust God's promises, believing that His plans for me are good and will come to fruition in His perfect timing. Imagine a gardener who plants seeds with the faith that will grow into a beautiful garden. The gardener trusts in the process, despite the unseen progress beneath the soil. In our spiritual journey, we must have confidence in God's promises, even when the results are not immediately visible. Hold fast to God's promises, for they are sure and steadfast. He is faithful and will fulfill every word He has spoken over your life. Keep moving forward with confidence, for the Lord your God is by your side. No matter what you face, you are never alone. God walks with you, lighting your path and supporting you through every challenge. Trust in His plan and find joy in the journey, knowing that His promises never fail.